You wonder why Chinese people are jumping in front of bullet trains? This is the reason why right here.
I bought a car. It's a piece of shit on 4 wheels. My wife hates the fucking car. It leaks oil from all of the fucking seals. The lady across the street is a cunt. She calls the town on me when I work on the fucking car. Welcome to my car show, asshole.
Alright, so I'm trying to get an idea of the overall health of this engine. I just took the spark plugs out. They were dry, no oil, a lot of carbon. They're old plugs. I have a feeling this engine was yanked out of an old Mustang, and engine and transmission, and just dropped into here. Well, how could it be an old Mustang with a 2-barrel? Or something, I don't know. Let's take a look. We're gonna take a valve cover off, and I don't know, just to see what it looks like under there. Because I'm so curious about this motor. I want to see if we got ripped off or not. Alright. Oh, valve cover comes right off. It's interesting. Not too dirty. Those might be different valve covers. Okay. Yes, definitely. Definitely not a hypo 289. As you can see, there's no screw-in studs. They're press-in studs, and no spring pockets. So 289.64 it says over here. There we go. I mean, I guess it's what it's supposed to look like. To be honest with you, it's not too dirty, not too clean. So I guess we'll stick with that. Yep. I'm very excited today. We have a carburetor for the car. As you know, we don't have a carburetor. That's right. Now keep in mind, eventually we're going to do a 4-barrel carburetor with, you know, a 4-barrel intake manifold. But at the moment we're just trying to get the car running. I'm in a rush to get the car running so I can get it inspected, so I don't have the neighbors on my back. This is the nature of working out in the street. So I found this carburetor on eBay. It's from China. It's a replica of an Autolite 2100, which is a fantastic carburetor. Ultimately, I'm going to get a 4100 for the car because I love Autolite carburetors. They're very simple. They're easy. They just work. They don't leak. They're great. Anyhow, so we picked this one up brand new on eBay for $83 shipped. $83 shipped. This is a brand new carburetor. I can't believe it. You wonder why Chinese people are jumping in front of bullet trains? This is the reason why right here. Because somebody had to work in a factory God knows how long to create that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful carburetor. That's right. How did they make any money off of that? It's a beautiful carburetor. Anyhow, let's put it on and see how it looks. Here we go. You ready? This is very exciting. Hold on. Let's get you guys into position. Just pop it on there. Oh, I don't know what this stupid plate is for, but it's right in the way. Let's take that off. It's like a heat shield or something. I don't know. This is annoying that I don't have the right screwdriver either. Hold on. This is just like a big piece of silly right here. No need for that. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that goes there. Oh, fun fact about carburetors. They actually need a gasket. Let me put the gasket on. The damn thing came with a gasket. You go to buy this gasket from the auto parts store, it's like $10. Here we go. Which way does it go? Which way does it go? This way. I'm taking a guess at this. Oh boy. Does this gasket fit? Are we hitting the stupid coil? God damn it. Alright, so the gasket doesn't exactly fit. There we go. We make it fit. Make it fit. Just like that. Right? Right? There we go. And then carburetor. This is in the way. This is in the way. Turn it like that. Are we down there yet? That's it. This is in the way. We're not all the way down. We'll take it down with the nuts. Right? There we have it. This is in the way. We're gonna have to bend that out of the way. How's that? Oh shit! We tightened it down on the linkage. The linkage is hitting. Shit. Shit. I hope I didn't bend this fucking linkage. I'm an idiot. We need a spacer. We need a spacer. I think I just bent the linkage. Oh, what an idiot I am. We need a spacer. Oh my god, did I just bend that linkage? I hope not. Oh, frickin' moron I am. I see what I did wrong. I see what I did wrong. This is supposed to be up here. Yes. So we were okay. What holds that here? Do I got this on the right way? Okay, this is what holds this. This is the spring to hold. I don't think we need this piece. This is our return spring. Okay, we can't worry about linkages right now. Just gotta make sure that's up. We'll adjust that later. All right, we have a carburetor on there. That's the most important part. Yes. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? It does. It does. Close the choke. Let's take a look at that beautiful carburetor. Woo! I'd rather have a manual choke, to be honest with you, but we'll worry about that later. All right, guys, there we go. We got an engine with a carburetor on it. What a difference. What a difference. It's starting to come together.